Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on your Anbernic RG556 console. So the first solution that I will show you is the solution to the problem, to the issue when you forgot your lock screen password and you cannot remember it at all. At the end of the video, I also want to mention one other solution which will work in case you do remember your password but your device won't let you access the system using it. Now, the first solution is just performing a factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your device. So if you have a way to try to back up your data somewhere else, if you haven't already, because this basically will erase everything from your console and you'll have to reinstall everything once again. But it will also remove your device's password, which is why this is the solution to this problem. Now, performing the factory reset operation using recovery mode is kind of tricky on this device, but I'm gonna try my best to explain everything clearly. So first thing you want to do is hold down the power button, then select power off option and let your device turn off, and let it stay like this for about 5 to 10 seconds. I'm not sure how much exactly, but what we want to try to do next is hold down the power button for about like 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, right before the logo appears on the screen, start holding down this home button along with the power button. So let's try to do this right now. Hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and then immediately start pressing the home button. Now your device has to turn on without any haptics, any sounds, and you will see this Android lying down and with no command signal, and at this point you can release both buttons. And now to go through this robot, you have to press the power button, hold it down, and then short press the plus button. And right now you are in the recovery mode. To navigate in the recovery mode, use volume up and down buttons, and this way we want to select the wipe data factory reset operation and press power button to select it, then confirm your choice, and once the data wipe is finished, scroll to the reboot system now option, select it, let your device reboot. Just to be clear, I didn't perform the factory reset operation right now since I didn't select the wipe data option. I just showed you how you do it. So right now I want to show you the other solution to this issue, which is what to do if you do remember your device's password but you cannot access it in the normal mode. Most times this is caused by some third-party application interference, some third-party app or some background activity is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. In order to get rid of it and try to access your device normally, you just have to enter the safe mode, and to do this, hold down the power button for a while until you see the power menu, hold your finger down on power off option and then select OK in order to reboot your device into the safe mode. Then you're gonna have to wait until your device is rebooted. Now, when you are in the safe mode and you see this safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen, try entering your password once again, tap done, and just in case you succeed, go to settings, swipe down to security menu. In security menu, select screen lock, provide your current password once again, tap enter, then select none, and then you can try to figure out which application or which background activity could have caused this. You may also want to go to settings, swipe down to the system menu, and go to reset options and select reset app preferences, confirm, and let your apps reset on this device, and then hold down the power button, select restart, and wait until your device reboots into the normal mode. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.